Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Okay. I wish you can. If you can't, well, let's go in the video. Yeah, why am I bored? So, starting out like this. So you're gonna use a specific app which is called Real World Cursor Editor. Remember, this is only working on this is only working on computers. I mean, it's so obvious. Wow. I didn't mean to do this. I just mean to put it on the other side. 3, 2, 1, show it! Yeah, here it is. Okay. So, in this video, I'm gonna teach you, what is this? What is this thing? What is this? Hey, who cares? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to modify your cursor. As you see, I have a flying child. He decided to go with me in this tutorial, so let's get into it. So, to get your app, you gotta have Real World Cursor Editor. Then, so go in the site in the description, or search cursor. Wait, what? Does it appear down? It does not. Wait, that's strange. Wait, what if I... Okay, or you can search custom cursor and then go to this page. Wait, what is this? Wait, don't go to this page. Let me just see what is this. Loading. Is it? Yeah. Go to this page that has this little symbol. And then you go to software. If you were in any other things, you just go to software. And just to tell you, if you are a Mac, I don't know if this works. You could of course try it out, but this could have risky things if you're a Mac, because I tried it on Windows, and I know Mac is for sure a little bit different. For sure it's gonna work on Mac, right? I don't know. Just click download. Whenever you click it, it should start downloading. It's gonna take a while or whatever. Then you open it when it's finished. It's Real World Cursor Editor installer.exe, and you just open it. It's gonna ask you some things which are not personal, they're just simple things. So you want it to add shortcut, you want it to be in what file directory or whatever. I already did download it, it's up here. Then whenever you download it, it's gonna appear up here, yeah. Up here, or yeah, I'm gonna download it twice just to show you. So it's gonna download. Oh, it's not an exe file. But whenever it's finished, you open it. It's gonna have this. Well, I already have the real world cursor. But if you already have it and click download, it's gonna show up this. So, yup. You are gonna just do whatever it tells you to do, blah blah blah, and then click finish whenever it tells you to finish. Then or if it says next and it says like click next to start. Yeah. And also you got so important at the start it's gonna show you like a whole letter here. You can read it if you want. It's not it is necessary to read it, but I didn't. Hey, don't be mad. Just click I accept the right the whatever it says here, and then click next. Then it's gonna tell you something and something. Whatever you do, whatever they told you to do, and click next. And the file directory part, well, it says like select where you want the file directory to be, and it shows you like a file, like shows you here some words and the browse thing. Don't select that. You gotta like make a leave it like that to the file directory part. Don't select it unless you know what you're doing. I did not select that because the file directory was created not by me, it was created by the program as well as the app. So yeah, unless you know what you're doing, you select the file directory. Now click next, and then you blah 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 should get installed. Yeah, I just told you whatever I passed through because I was just remembering. If there is something that I did not say, tell me in the comments. Now, yep. What is this? Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this because it's a copy, so you can see it, but I'm deleting it. Stop, delete, cut. Wait, where's delete? Here is delete. Yeah, here it is. Okay, now that you have it downloaded, you can close Google. It should be on your homepage. Then open it, double click on it. Should put like a sticker, and then your page, your app should show up. You couldn't see the sticker because it was on my second screen, so yeah. First, I'm gonna go over create. Second, I'm gonna go over open. Third, I'm gonna go over. So okay, let me resave. So first part of the video, which is called new mouse cursor. It's gonna go over creating a new mouse cursor from zero. Second part of the video, which is divided in, it's gonna be called open mouse cursor. And you can open. I don't know if it's gonna let you. See, it does let me select this. It's a GIF. So just select it, whatever you want here. I'm not gonna spend time. Select whatever it does let you. It's gonna be an image or a GIF or whatever. And wait, it does let me do. Okay, now it does. It's good then. Then you can go to, you just open it, blah blah blah. And last I'm gonna go over to actually placing the mouse cursor. Okay, let's get into this. New mouse cursor. Should go into this if you want to start from zero. First, so you gotta make the image first to know where you are. So I'm just gonna make some circle to know where I am. This is not gonna be the actual cursor, see? So you can move it. This is the hotspot. What is the hotspot? So basically the hotspot is where the cursor is pointing at. So If I erase all of this and make my own cursor, I can make my own cursor like an arrow. Yeah, an arrow. So let's get this thicker, a little bit more thicker. Then you could select it, duplicate it, so you copy it. Copy image selection, paste image selection, and then I can mirror it. Wait, what? Yeah, let's just mirror it, it doesn't really matter. So you make the creation of whatever mouse cursor you're doing. Then you do whatever you want with it. So this is the area where I'm doing it right now. You see how the hotspot is like, this is in the middle. And these, I cannot move it further back because all of these still count. I know there's nothing on these, but they still count. So I cannot move it like backwards, but like here, here, here. So I can put it like here. I can put it like here. I can put it like here. And of course, I can put it like here. There's no limit to this. I'm just telling you, make it look nice. Because then you would not know where your cursor is. So I can make the pointer point up if I put it here. But if I put it here, then I would not know where it is. See, I'm drawing in the wrong place. And this is the test area. I know this is drawing, but it's to test. So if I actually have this and I try clicking on this, I would actually be clicking here. See? So make it look nice. So if you want it to be like here at this corner, you gotta put it here and it works. And if it works, and if that's this corner, and blah blah blah, but if you put it at this corner, you couldn't really know. Unless you put it like here. It does work, see? So that's what I'm basically talking about. That's the whole point. Now create your cursor. So when you finish, I just made a random face. Don't ask me why. Well, I think you just did ask me. So I did it because this is just a tutorial. It doesn't really matter to me. To you, it does matter because it shows what you're thinking of. Cringe. So let's. Well, you don't have to delete it. Why did I do that? You just, when you finish it, you click save, and you should be good. By the way, you click save, you save it, and you have it saved on whatever folder you saved it. Now, I'm gonna get to the other part. Let me head over it. So now, to the open part, you are required to. Okay, no, you're not really required. So if you wanna start from a file you have, you select the file. So if you wanna select a GIF or whatever, yeah, select the file you wanna get. So where is quick access? Oh, here's the notes. So you select the file. whatever you wanna open. So what is this? Where is it? I saw. So you select the file, and if it has a background, you gotta make sure it does not have. It has too many pixels. Why does it? Wait, let me cut the video. It's gonna do. Okay, so when you finish taking out the background, which by the way, you can see at this image, it does not have like that good background. Why? I did not do it like fully because you should do it by hand. And there is a tool. I am stupid. I am stupid. I'm so stupid. You just gotta use the, where is it? Here. The flood fill eraser. Here it is. You can erase this and don't care about these circles. Yeah. Okay, now your tool animated. You gotta like copy the frame. So important. You gotta copy the frame and then paste it. This one has, it was not copied correctly. Okay. And change of your wanting to the next frame. Unless you want it to be slow, you put like 4 frames or whatever. A lot of frames, not that lot of frames if you don't really want it to be that slow, but a little. This is what Sonic does. And then you can see the preview here. It has less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. 6, 6, 7. Here. Okay, so let me check again. It doesn't look right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has exactly 7 frames. So what's wrong with this? Oh, it's alright. So whenever you finished doing your whole cursor thingy, you click create. So important. You gotta click create. Don't click save unless you want to save it as a GIF. And yup, it's saved as a GIF. But you gotta click create, then create mouse cursor. Now it should look like this. You can't move the hotspot right now. I'm gonna teach you what that thingy is. So that you select your pixels, your color depth, whatever. Okay. Should open a new tab that looks blurry, but that doesn't matter. Okay, sorry for cutting the video. It's because my mom entered to see what was I doing. And she's happy about me making my first video on my first channel because this is not literally my first video, but yeah, that did. So basically, you would need to do your final adjustments. Don't worry about it being blurry. This makes it get more detail. It's called anti-aliasing. And from this type view, it's gonna look that the same as, like, you see from here it looks like all blurry because it's giant. From here it looks perfectly fine, and from here too, because that's your because you're looking at it from a distant view. See, this is the hotspot I was talking about. So the hotspot is basically where the mouse is. If you wanted to be writing, like not writing, but from selecting from this arm, if from this arm, if you wanted to be selecting from the head, it's from the head. But make it be sans. So if you want to put it like here, okay. If it's like a cursor for like loading and all of that, you don't really care about this. But if it's like selecting something, you gotta make it make sense. So if you're selecting, like, let's say I have this cursor here, and I want to select this to get out. But if the cursor is like headed like this, I don't know, so I try to click here, but I actually click here. You see? This is the test area. Make it make sense. Unless it's a loading one. Whatever. So if I put it here, it makes sense now. Then, to save it, if you're finished, you can click save and it should save an animated sprite. You see? Now you click OK, I click cancel. You OK, I cancel. Because I'm just doing a tutorial, so you click OK, I click cancel. You click OK. 3, 2, 1, click it. You clicked it. I click cancel. So then, the most important thing. Wait a second. Wait. I think this is messed up. Yeah, this is messed up. Wait, let me. So what did I say at the start of the video? What did I? Oh, I said for like whatever second of the video that's Spotify and the name is blah 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 to blah 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 and blah blah blah. And then what was the? So first I said how to create it. Then I said how to create it from an image. Then I said oh yeah, most important and what you came here from. Close these tabs whenever you finish and you make sure you save them. Oh, can't forget to. You, in order to make a cursor from the image, you got to, whenever you're doing the image, click create, then mouse cursor. Can't forget. I don't know what did I forget. Okay, so then you make sure you saved it, blah blah blah. And you have the right hotspot. Now you can. Okay, if you saved it, this should not appear to you, but it showed up to me because I did not save it. Wait, I'm gonna save it real quick. See? Okay, now till you have saved it, you close both. And you open your system settings, which is accessible by going to the start and clicking the settings. Now click personalization and themes. Now here are your mouse cursor. You can also personalize these, but I don't recommend personalizing the in sounds, the one that is like that don't have, because that would ruin it like I did. And yeah, see, it's not putting. Now it does change. Wow. See, I'm gonna make another video, but maybe I'm gonna put it in the comments, or no, not comments, the description. But okay, I don't really care about the sounds. I care about the cursor right now. So here you got the cursors. Yours should look like this. Nothing. You select whatever image you did from. So you do from your image. You search the folder. What? It doesn't let me? Okay, now it does. That's wrong. Then you select yours. I did mine as an example because it is an example, but yours should look like yours. And if it's not animated, it looks like this E or something else. But if you have Internet Explorer, it should look like this. And if it's animated, it should just show up the animation but not playing. So I might just get the example I made for the video. Here is a normal select. You are free to put whatever you want. So I can put AB here, or in Knuckles, or Finite Funkin. See, you're free to do anything. So when you finish, you don't click apply or OK, unless you want to change them forever. You click save as. Then you place the name, and then you hit OK. Now you have it a new one here, which is the one you just created. I have the image. Now you click apply. It should apply to your mouse. Now you have your cursor. Now you hit OK. Hit OK. Hit OK. Now let it be. Hit OK. Bruh. Okay, it should close. Good job. Now it should appear here the name of the mouse you just created. You can also change some other things here. And if you aren't gonna change the sounds, I'm gonna leave a complete guide in the description, because it's just a short thing to do. It's not like this large for the cursors. But you know what? I'm out of time. So last 20 seconds of the video. Here's a video.